Welcome back to C-IKNOW, the social network analysis software brought to you by the Sonic Laboratory at Northwestern University. This video will demonstrate the team assembly tool, which allows the administrator or end user to custom configure a team based on a number of different factors, including similarity, diversity, and network overlap. To get started, head to the C-IKNOW portal and log into the project. This project is called OCMC 2009, as the data was collected using the survey component of C-IKNOW from everyone who attended the 2009 Organizational Communication Mini-Conference, or OCMC. I'm logging in as a user, in this case an attendee of the conference. Here is my contact information that I filled out previously while taking the survey, and now I click on Recommendations, and then on the Team tab. Now I need to decide what factors to consider while making my teams. First, I select the group of nodes I want to consider. I'll choose users, in this case everyone who attended the conference. Then, I decide the number of teams I want to create, as well as a minimum and maximum team size. It's important to make sure that these values are logical given your total amount of nodes. Here's a formula to make sure your values fit. The maximum team size times the number of teams must be greater than or equal to the total number of nodes, which must be greater than or equal to the minimum team size times the number of teams. So in this case, the study has 111 nodes, and I want to create teams of 7 or 8 people, which means I need to make 15 teams for the equation to work out. So I plug those values in here, and then I decide which attribute I want to be diverse and which attribute I want to be similar in this team. I want the individual's role to be diverse, but their field to be similar. This way, all team members will possess different levels in academia with moderately similar areas of study. And I'll select the edges as met in person. This will be the tie that drives density. Now it is time to decide which aspects are most important, thus deserve the most weight. Click on the Configure button. At the top, these values determine the importance of diversity, similarity, and density. The way they are set right now, diversity of role is prioritized, then similarity of field, and very little on whether or not the individuals have met. I'll change it to add weight to similarity. Note that the sum of these three must equal 1. I'll leave the specific diversity attribute weight as is, and now I'll click on Save Weights. And then I click on Close. Now that the team preferences have been configured, click on Assemble. And here's the list of 15 suggested teams. And I can click on any of them to see details about that team. At the top, you can see statistics about it. It shows the team size, a score based upon how well it fits my selected criteria, as well as the level of diversity, similarity, and density. Below it, I can see the breakdown of diversity based on role, and you can see that half the team members are faculty or postdocs, and the other half of them are PhD students. Scrolling down, I can see details of the team's similarity of field, as well as how many of them have met one another. And those are the basics for the team assembly tool. For more tutorial videos, check out the C-IKNOW website, and thanks for watching.